Hi, y'all. Merry Christmas, and welcome to Don's Manufactory. I didn't get a whole lot done this week because of the Christmas holidays. It's about 10 o'clock on Christmas Eve. I just got back from having dinner over at my daughter Desiree's house. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Anyway, here's a few shots of what I did, what I got accomplished in the last week. It ain't much. I got the passenger side door stripped. So that footprint that I was talking about in a video a while back, yeah, I'm working on that. I've got it pretty flat now. I mean, it's got dings and stuff in it. You can see where they had slide hammered it. But they'd stretched the metal too far, so then they ended up putting a great big mound of Bondo across there to try to make it look smooth, but really it was just sort of a fat hump. So I gotta take care of that right there, and it continues on underneath right here too. Now down here, looks like got a crease right through there, which they slide hammered. And this too is a little fat. It had a ton of Bondo in there, like almost a 1/4 inch thick, trying to make it smooth, but once again it had sort of a fat hump in it. So I'm just kind of working on it there, trying to get that stuff taken care of. And over here, this is my rust patch right there. There's not a lot of access to this, but I got in there, managed to like slice my arm all up, but hey, I got in there and worked it pretty well. There's plenty of access to this spot right here, so I'm going to work this a while and see if I can't sort of flatten it out and get it so it's a little less tubby. This is as far as I've gotten. Lots to do in here yet to make that right. This is just almost there. It's a little fat right in there. I got to get the sand off some more of the body filler. This here is kind of okay. I got little divots there that need to be filled in. This whole thing is all beat up down there. Plus it's got my patch is right there. This is as good as I can get her at this stage. I think it's pretty good. Notice how much waviness there was down here. I just ended up putting body filler on the whole thing to straighten it out. It just had all kinds of little whoop-de-doos all along. Anyway, I think it's good. It's an epoxy. I didn't mess up. I don't know if I can get the light to shine on it. You can see it right there at the bottom, right at the crease right there. Didn't quite get the body filler the way it was supposed to be. There's a little bit of a groove there. And but this one up here looks perfect. So, and the rest of that door kind of right there with all that work, that looks pretty good. Okay, 3 good coats of high build. It really hides all the sand scratches that are in the Bondo and stuff. I mean, you look across there, so yeah, it just doesn't look bad at all. So I think we're good. Nothing to do now but let it finish flashing off, and then I can put the tools away, bring the stuff in from the breezeway, and you know, maybe go to bed before midnight. Well, no, probably won't make it before midnight, but hey, at least I'll get to bed soon. Yeah, the door's done, and but it's not mounted yet. I'll get to that starting on Monday. Thanks for watching, and get back to your families. Merry Christmas, y'all. Catch you later. Oh, look! I've got some parts from CJ Pony. Oh my gosh, let's open this box! Perfect! I've got a new catalytic converter.